Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Question 1. Which is a desert? Sahara, Everest, or Black Sea? Sahara is a desert. Question 2. We don't use the before uncountable nouns, names of city or animals. Which answer is correct? We don't use the before names of city. Question 3. What is rubbish? Something which students eat, something which is made of wood, something which pollutes. Rubbish is something which pollutes. Question 4. Which is not a noun? Near, pear, a hair. Near is not a noun. Question 5. Have, do, shall. We go on holiday. Which answer is correct? The correct answer is shall. Shall we go on holiday? Yes, that's a great idea. Question 6. Which is your car? When is your car? Where is your car? It's in the garage. Where's your car? It's in the garage. Question 7. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? It's mine. The correct answer is whose. Question 8. Only 3 chairs in my room. Which answer is correct? They are, there are, there is. There are only 3 chairs in my room. Question 9. She have got a house, she has got a house, she's got a house in the town center. She has got a house in the town center. Question 10. Brothers have you got? Just one. How much? How old? How many? The correct answer is how many? How many brothers have you got? Just one. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you.